Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Now in this video I'll be doing an unboxing of the Acekool 800 watt immersion hand blender, and it comes with 12 speeds, a 5-inch one stainless steel stick blender with turbo mode. It also comes with a 600 milliliter beaker. It also comes with a milk filter, and it comes with an egg whisk, and basically it contains all four of these item parts, which we can use the immersion blender to make purees, to make soup. We can use the whisk to basically whisk egg. The immersion blender, sorry, not the immersion blender, but the frother we can use to like create more foam within the coffee, and just mix powder together in liquid to create that foamy creaminess that we like to see in our coffee, or any supplement that we add milk to have that added effect. Also, we have the steel stick blender, which can be used to basically cut meat. So I'll be unboxing it, you guys can take a look. So here we go. That's the first thing. We're greeted with the top of the immersion blender. So I'll put this one side. And then we have the bottom section of the immersion blender. With the blade section here. And just looking, basically it will go on the top. Let me just put it there. It just clips on, and then we have the immersion blender in all its glory. I'll just kind of go up a bit more so you can see it. Alright, so let's go further into different parts that can be added to it. So we have the simple whisk our eggs. Yeah, I don't know what else we use whisker for. Alright, we also have the frother. Let's take it out. Ooh, it's very pretty. Nice and glittery. We also have the beaker. Check it out. It's a nice size. No complaint here. It did say around 600 milliliter. So yeah. Alright, so yes. And this is basically the meat cutter. You can see the metal blade in there. So if you have any meat that you want to mince up, you can basically put them in this. It does the trick. Okay, so final piece is basically I think this is the this is the head for the whisker and the frother. So you can put the whisker and frother in here and then connect it to the top part of the bottom part of the head of the frother. So it's basically where the motor is. So just unclip this. I think press this button. So let's put this down. I'm maneuvering with my one hand. Oh, give me a sec. Alright, so it's off. I'm gonna put on the other part Okay, so it's on. So as I said before, this head is like an adapter, just clips in and allows for the connection of the multiple different parts, which would be the filter and the whisker. So let's put this down a little. So that's what I'll come with a user manual, and we have 3 years warranty. Nice. And this is the user manual, so if there's anything that you're curious about, you can look at the technical parameters, safety instructions, product description, operation instruction, cleaning maintenance, repair maintenance. If you're interested in looking at that, or you can just refer to YouTube. There are tons of videos of persons using this. Oh cool, I also get a recipe book. Well, I think it's a recipe book. Yes it is, it's a recipe book. Nice. I like it. Blue cheese. Alright, I'm gonna stop being weird on this, and this basically is the end of the unboxing. So I'm just gonna plug it in to actually show you what it sounds like when it's actually turned on. Alright, so immediately after plugging it in, there's a blue light to indicate that's actually on. Alright, we have turbo, regular. Nice. So basically, also at the bottom, I'm gonna turn off the flash. Ooh. Okay. Wait, can I do this? Okay. This is much better. So you actually have a controller on it that you can use to, you know, change the functionalities in terms of speed. I think this is for speed. So let me check in the manual. Guys, product description, it's a speed control. So yes, read your manual. So but yeah, speed control, so you can increase the speed from up there as well. And you have a turbo, and you have a switch. But let me check something, because I had just pressed the switch, almost as if I was the same as pressing the turbo. So let me press the switch, because it should just continue spinning. Okay, so the switch works just as the turbo. It's just that the turbo gives you a little bit more oomph. Switch. Alright, so guys, this basically brings my video to an end for the Acekool. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe, like for more content like this. If you want me to actually try this on products, you know, you can recommend it in the comments. This is just an unboxing video. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you.